Deep cleaning Asus FX505DY-AL117T gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Arson, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning your laptop is a smart and proactive choice that helps maintain its performance and extend its lifespan. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate inside the device, particularly around the fans, vents, and cooling system, leading to overheating, reduced efficiency, and potential hardware damage. By removing this buildup, deep cleaning improves cooling efficiency, enhances overall performance, and prevents thermal throttling during intensive tasks. It also extends the lifespan of internal components, reduces the risk of costly repairs, and restores quiet operation by alleviating strain on the fans. Additionally, a clean laptop contributes to a healthier workspace by minimizing dust circulation. Opting for professional deep cleaning ensures a thorough and safe process, as skilled technicians use specialized tools to clean internal parts without causing damage. Regular deep cleaning is an excellent investment to keep your laptop running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.